Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy here in the gorgeous city of Seattle today. I get questions all the time about the difference in the OEM components themselves, and there's no better way to show you than on the cars themselves. I'm here at BMW Seattle today, and I'm going to show you the difference between the stock exhaust and the M Performance exhaust that you can get across multiple cars, but I get to show you today on these gorgeous M2s. So let's check it out, let's hear what they sound like and hear the differences. Alright, so BMW Seattle was kind enough to give me access to both of these awesome M2s today, and they're very similar being M2 competition packages, but the exhaust really is the big difference. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk through the modes. Your car is going to sound different as on cold start and as you walk through your different modes in your car. Now if you have an F30, like my F32, you've got comfort mode, you've got sport mode, you've got sport plus. In these M2s, we've got normal mode, we also have M1, M mode 1 and M mode 2 here off the steering wheel, and we're going to try normal to hear what the car sounds like, and M2, which is going to open the valve and the exhaust on both. You're going to hear what it sounds like, and M2 on both is going to sound a little more aggressive, a little louder, but they are going to sound different. So let's get the cars fired up, let's see what it sounds like. Now both these cars are M2 competition, but some of the differences are exhaust. So when we're looking here at our white M2, it has the M Performance exhaust, so you can see that it's got carbon fiber tips along with the M badging on the tips right there, and then also underneath you're going to see M Performance on the body of the exhaust itself. Now if we look at our black M2 competition here, we're going to see that it has black tips right there, like that. It looks a little bit different, including the interior, and does not have M Performance on the body of the exhaust itself. So there's going to be some visual cues that come along with the sound. All right, I really love both those cars, just as I love this view here from the upper deck of BMW Seattle. So I hope this gives you a little bit of a taste of the difference between the two. Now, there's so much more there, right? There's driving them, there's downshifting, there's the whole experience that would be an hour-long video. But this is to give you just a basic idea between the stock exhaust and the M Performance exhaust. You know, if you're looking to buy a new car, you now have an idea of what that line item is as you do that custom build. You have an idea of what you're getting, which is a great thing, right? Do you want that more aggressive sound? Do you want that little more subtle sound that you get with the exhaust? Now, the other good news there is that if you have a car between 5 years and 15 years old, BMW Seattle has an enthusiast club, so you can retrofit that M Performance exhaust if you didn't have it in the first place. Come in, talk to them, mention the BMW DIY guy, and you're gonna get a 15% discount on getting that exhaust installed. That can make a huge difference. So even if you didn't get it when you first got the car, just like I did with my F32, it's not a challenge to install it again later. So make sure, come in, check that out. I really appreciate your time in BMW Seattle, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.